Hello everyone, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. So we are here with the seventh part of our 100 days JavaScript challenge series. So in today's video, we are going to see how to find if all the letters in a word are unique. So let's jump into the code. So first we are going to create a method called has unique letters. By using array function syntax in JavaScript. So this method will expect a parameter called word and it returns a boolean value as true or false. Now we are going to create two inputs. One input has unique letters and the other one has repeating letters. So this input is hello and this input is unique one as word. Now let us log the output of these methods by sending these inputs. Word 1 as the input and the second one is has unique letters method with word 2 as input. So this should return false, whereas this should return true because hello has a repetitive letters, so it is not a unique word. So it should return false. As word is unique, it should return true. Now internally, we need to create a letter set which will hold all the letters in this word. So you can replace this set with array. Now we are going to loop through each of the letter from this word. I am going to declare I and initialize it with 0 and I should be less than word dot length and I plus plus. Now I have to create a variable called letter which will hold the current value of the word or the current letter from this word. So inside this I am going to create a condition where I am going to check if this letter set has the current letter or not. If it has the current letter, then it's a duplicate. So we need to return false. If it does not have the current letter, then it's not a duplicate. So we need to add this current letter into this letter set. That can be achieved by using set.add of current letter. Now once this loop is completed, we have to return true. So if this is not a duplicate, it will continue until the word.length and it will come to this next line and it will execute true value. So let us run this. So we got the output as false and the second output as true as expected. Now I am going to remove this. So we need to get both as true. So in this way we can achieve the function that checks if all the letters in a word are unique. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.